Let's talk about neo-Marxian theories in this module. Engels and Marx are the founders of Marxism. The basic argument is that power relationships between capitalists and workers leads to exploitation and inequality, which eventually generates class conflict. There is a constant struggle between capitalists and the working class because capitalists are exploiting the labor class. That creates conflict in the labor class against the capitalist class. Neo Marxism is an extension of Marxism with amendments. It integrates the ideas of other intellectual traditions such as critical theory, psychoanalysis, and existentialism, etc. New Marxism has developed its own theories of capitalism. It is giving a way out that how that conflict management can happen between the working class and the capitalist class. Transnational capitalism. There are two types of globalization systems: neoliberal capitalist globalization, which is leading in the contemporary world, while the other one, socialist system of globalization, which does not exist in reality so far. However, the ongoing ultra globalization movements all around the world forecast its emergence due to extensive demands of human rights. But question is, how much important are it is on the written on the wall that such movements which are anti globalization will be there, or you may call it socialist globalization movement. It is a question: is it there or it is not there? According to Square, transnational practices have transcended across boundaries. Capitalist globalization has led to the decline of importance of territorial boundaries. Owing to the globalization process, capitalism is trying to create a borderless world. The members of transnationalist class share global interests. They exercise power across nations. They try to exert control in following ways. What they do: economic control in the market, political control in domestic and international politics, cultural and ideological control in different parts of the world. They create false type of dearth of any commodity and then monopolize that market. This is how international capitalist system work. Precariat. The number of part-time workers is rapidly increasing. Temporary workers are more there and available at cheapest labor. No specific occupational identities are there, and job insecurity is also there. In such precarious situation, that environment is working in which unpredictability is more there as compared to any guarantee for the labor class. Deterritorialization. Declining significance of geographical boundaries owing to globalization. Globalization processes are accelerating. Deterritorialization can contribute to the social revolution as Marx predicted. As we earlier saw, that how this process of globalization is creating more consumers in every part of the world. So, consumer products and technological sophistications are diminishing the boundaries of the world. Therefore, those diminishing the boundaries and they're creating a borderless world in which countries are more concerned with investment, information, industry, and the individual.